Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find Wi-Fi password on HP laptop. So if you have an HP laptop and you would like to find your Wi-Fi password, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. As you can see, I have the HP EliteBook S360 1030 G2, which is the second generation, and I am connected to Wi-Fi network. You see that? So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your Wi-Fi password on your HP laptop. So this works on all Windows, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, then this is going to work for you. Now there are two ways I'm going to share with you here that you can use to find your Wi-Fi password on HP. The first one is click on the start button, then search for network status. It should say view network status and task. Then go ahead and click on the option to open the network status and task. This is going to open network status and task under network and sharing center on the control panel. Then on the left side here, locate and click on change adapter settings. Once you click on change adapter settings, locate the Wi-Fi network whose password you want to find. Click on it, then right click. Then once you right click on the Wi-Fi password, click on status. Then you'll be taken to the general page. Locate and click on Wi-Fi properties. Now select security, check show characters. Then this is your Wi-Fi password. Where you see network security key is the Wi-Fi password. So that's one of the ways you can use to find Wi-Fi password on HP laptop. Another approach you can use to find Wi-Fi password on your HP laptop is click on the start menu, select settings. Then on your Windows settings, locate and click on network and internet. Once you selected that, you should see the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Then locate and click on Wi-Fi where you see connect, manage no networks, and meta network. Once you click on that, locate the Wi-Fi network you're connected to and click on it. Now, once you click on that, under the Wi-Fi properties, locate Wi-Fi network password and click on the show button. Then you should see the password here. So this is your Wi-Fi password. And then the Wi-Fi password will as well be converted to QR code like this. So you can either scan the QR code to connect to the Wi-Fi password or type in the Wi-Fi password. Lastly, to find Wi-Fi password on your HP laptop, all you need to do is click on the Wi-Fi indicator at the bottom right. Select the Wi-Fi pointed arrow where you see manage Wi-Fi connections. Now locate and click on the information icon on the Wi-Fi network you connected to. Once you click on that, this is going to open the Wi-Fi network under internet and Wi-Fi. Now scroll down the page, locate advanced Wi-Fi network properties and click on edit. Now once you selected edit, locate Wi-Fi security here and click on it. Now under Wi-Fi security, you should see network security key, then go ahead and check show characters. Then this is your Wi-Fi password. Then you can now go ahead, copy the Wi-Fi password or share the Wi-Fi password. So that is basically how to find Wi-Fi password on HP laptop. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.